Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start with a very light color, which is going to be our transition color, and we're going to use this color. This is from Maria X, and I'm going to use my Morphe M330. I really like this brush because it does easily distributes the color. If you do like Maria X palette, you can go ahead and click the link in the description down below. It will take you guys to her Facebook page. So for our next color, we are going to jump in this really bright orange. Just put it all over your crease like this. And then we're gonna go ahead and jump into this kind of like, I don't know how to describe this color, but it's like really, really pink, beautiful color. And we'll just put it over here in our crease as well. Okay, so we've packed on this color. We're gonna go ahead and jump into this color, and we're just putting it over here. And after doing that, we're gonna go ahead and grab the bottom piece of that other brush from icing, and I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this brush over here. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this purple color over here and just put it over here in our crease, and we're gonna go ahead and put it over here in our eyelids. Alright, so after putting that purple color over there, so you can see it's coming along, I'm going back to using my M330 from Morphe brush. This has become my favorite brush. And then just dive into this orange color once again and just kind of like make it pop out of that crease. And going back to my icing brush over here that doesn't have any color, and just kind of like blend that out. Okay, alright, so after that we're gonna go ahead and move forward with our waterline over here, and I'm going to use my Scandal Ice Rimmel eyeliner. So it doesn't matter if it's really straight because we're gonna blend it in anyways. There you go. I just need something to smoke up. Alrighty. And I'm going to use this color over here. I don't have a name for my brush right now. I got it from Walmart. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of like smoke the edges. Alright, so you have a faded effect on that one, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and grab my Morphe M326. This little brush over here does wonders. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dust it with my icing brush over here. Just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and just put mascara on my lashes. Like I have a lot, of course I don't. Can you see it? Like no matter what I do, like it didn't grow back as much as I expected it. Guess it got damaged from chemotherapy, but I don't know. I mean, my hair grew back. So up next is we're gonna go ahead and put eyeliner, and of course I'm using my ever favorite Wet n Wild felt tip eyeliner, and that's how it looks like. It's hecka sharp. After putting our eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and put a glitter eyeliner on top of our black eyeliner, and I do have this gold liquid glitter eyeliner over here, and it comes from Handian, and I got it from Amazon. There you go. So this is how it looks like with the glitter eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to go ahead and just add my eyelashes, do the contour, fix my hair and whatnot, and I will be back. Don't go away. Today, tell me what you guys think about it and the colors that I used, as well as the glitter eyeliner. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please put down your thoughts down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell button, and that way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Until my next video, thank you so much for spending your time with me. I'll see you again soon.